welcome back to Blocktv. Time for crypto craze. And as the price of Bitcoin continues to rise, at the time of this taping, over $5,200, new narratives are emerging in the crypto sphere. Pardon me. Now, to help us present and break them down, we are joined by none other from Seattle, Washington, Mitchell Moose, editorial manager at Crypto Slate. Mitchell, great to have you with us. I see you've just landed on the moon. That's a joke. But that said, some of the headlines that you guys are leading with, and definitely, you know, it's been a sea of green, one can say, for over a week now. Huge green candle pushes Bitcoin from 4,200 to 5,000 in minutes. Tell me more.
Yeah, so we were on the air watching the Bitcoin prices, and we saw some unusual volume-based activity. And within 15 minutes, Bitcoin shot up from $4,000 up to $4,700, and within the hour it went up to 5,000. So that kind of price activity was very unusual, even for an asset as volatile as Bitcoin. So within the last 12 to 15 months, it was largely moving sideways with occasional dips as people's positions were getting liquidated and as investor confidence in Bitcoin waned. But it seemed like this kind of growth was not, people just weren't really expecting it.
No, nobody was expecting this, you know, because I have you actually with me, and we didn't have a chance to speak last week. We were dealing so much with the, you know, the so-called theories or coinspiracies, if you may, I'm quoting a staff member here, of why this was happening, and is this a bull run, or is this a bull trap? And one can argue, I mean, firstly, as we're sitting, you know, nearly over a week since the market turned, so to speak, one can say that it's looking more like a run. What do you think is the reasoning behind this? Did you hear all those theories about the algorithm or the April Fool's Day joke?
Oh, I've heard some more interesting theories than that even. In an interview with an anonymous source, I won't disclose who they are, they actually suggested that they were aware of the SEC's, someone or some group of people were aware of the SEC's ruling on cryptocurrencies. It wasn't necessarily positive, but it wasn't negative. And that they intentionally placed these someone intentionally placed multiple 7,000 plus Bitcoin orders on 3 major exchanges, Kraken, Coinbase, and I believe the last one is Poloniex. And some are suggesting that this was the source of the original run.
Wow. I mean, and again, I think we will never really know, but at the end of the day, it is a market that reacts, well, like every market, psychologically to be it rumor or supposition. That said, it seems to have worked. Second headline, following Bitcoin's 19% surge, which is, as you mentioned, huge, crypto explodes, bull market in the works. You guys ask, well, first of all, tell me more, and what do you think?
Well, so Joseph, one of a leading crypto analyst, was actually the one who wrote that particular article. He provided that given this upwards price movement, that a lot of people are not necessarily not a lot of people want to miss out on this particular uptick. When crypto's going down, it plummets, and when crypto's going up, it seems like it will continue to rally.
Continue to rise. Okay. What do you believe, by the way? I'm wondering.
Well, the funny thing is, I believe that cryptocurrencies in general are highly unpredictable and volatile. So at the end of the day, I'm not sure that anyone really knows what the cause of upwards or downwards movement is, or whether it's going to go up or down. So yeah. I'm kind of on the sidelines, to be honest.
But very politically correct. And let's take a look at the next one, which is the one that was very interesting to us, I have to say, because it shows faith in the market. Wall Street trades a significant portion of the market's Bitcoin futures. Reading the headline from Crypto Slate. And, you know, the interesting thing about this is that I think this, to us, it spelled that this was